This is the DTD171. It's Makita's brand new impact drill. Up front, Makita's replaced the needle bearing in the previous model with a ball bearing in this model, which means as the mileage piles up, you get less tip wobble. On the base of the handle, you'll find the controls for the 4 assist mode variations. In wood mode, it starts out slow. It senses that you've established the screw, then it'll speed up the impacts and the speed of rotations. This increases your control, minimises cam out. 2 of the modes are T modes, which are used for driving in self-drilling screws. T mode 1 is for driving screws into thin metal sheeting and plate, like when you're screwing into stud and track. At 3 impacts, the drill will cut power, stopping you from over-tightening your screw. While T mode 2 is for driving into thicker metal plate. The 4th assist mode is a bolt mode. While going forward, you hit maximum speed almost straight away on the trigger, speeding up your operation. In reverse, it's an auto stop, which detects when the bolt or the nut is loose and there's no longer any torque on it, and it'll auto shut off, meaning you won't shoot the nut across the workshop. On top of the 4 assist mode variations we just covered, there's also 4 speeds which can be adjusted at the press of a button. And a cool new gizmo on this tool is the quick mode switching function. So if your speed variation or your assist mode, you can set a preset, and then you can recall that preset with the press of the button, and then press the button again to return to your previous setting. To save a new preset, press and hold the mode select button and the quick mode selection button. It's got dual work lights up front, weighs 1.5 kilograms with a 6 amp hour battery installed, and it's got one touch bit installation. Bucket loads of control in a powerful pocket-sized tool. That's the DTD171 18-volt cordless impact from Makita. You got any questions about this impact? Hit me up in that comment section below. Until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.